laughing. Got him. I knew some niggas be quick to change. Realest nigga and it's still remain the same. It's a long way from where I came. Get this money till I'm 6 feet in the grave. I knew some niggas be quick to change. Realest nigga and it's still remain the same. What's up?
Welcome to the Cupid's Couple channel. It's Bash.
It's Boogie.
And we out here.
Yeah.
And today we are doing the What's in My Mouth challenge.
Okay.
So, let me give you the rundown. She got 5 items. I got 5 items. We don't know what they are. So, yeah, I want to go first because I don't really trust her. I feel like she's going to try to put some nasty shit in my mouth. So I got me a gag bag just in case. Because I don't have time.
It ain't like that, y'all.
We'll see. Y'all stay tuned.
It's nothing like that, baby. Trust
So
me.
everything going to be delicious.
Everything is delicious, nutritious.
Okay.
Everything.
All right. I wish I could say the same.
So would you get me? You know what I'm saying? I ain't said that about you.
All your favorite snacks.
All my favorite snacks.
So it's easy for you to guess.
Yeah, so what's the rules? You feel me? Tell everybody the rules. What we gonna do? Is it just can I just lick it? Or I gotta put the whole thing in
It's
my mouth?
what's in my mouth challenge.
So
What's in your mouth challenge, whatever. I think you gotta put it in there.
hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
And
Cause
follow.
it's Team Boogie. We about to win this.
It's
You know what I'm
Team
saying?
Bash in the comments. Let's get.
We gonna see.
All right. Put your blindfold on.
Why you going first anyway?
Oh, ladies first. Lady or ladies first?
Man, I guess, man, I guess.
All right. Put your blindfold on, girl. All up in my bag. Ain't fucking trick or treat. Oh, it actually is.
I got a bag I can spit. You know what I'm saying?
It's to your left on the floor.
Oh, alright, hold on, y'all.
Y'all see that she already trying to cheat.
What you mean?
I don't know why you double bagged it. You ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready, y'all. Team Boogie, y'all.
Team Bash, let's get it. Open your mouth. Come on. What is it? Yummy. Mmm.
It tastes like a one of them chewies, but
Yeah, okay. At least give me a flavor or something.
the flavor is a chewy.
Alright, good enough. Alright, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, fruity.
Chewy, fruity, nah, I know what you meant. Alright, whatever. Why you giving me the bag?
Oh yeah.
Alright. My turn. Let's get it. And I ain't afraid. I just don't trust your ass.
Alright, y'all.
Girl, don't do nothing Jesus wouldn't do. Don't do nothing Jesus won't fucking do.
Girl,
Is you ready?
you ain't gonna die. Just know that. Just know you're not gonna die. From nothing that I feed you today. I'm not gonna make you choke and gag and all that.
You don't know what my reaction gonna be. Is you ready? Can I smell it? Is it chips? Woo!
You like that smell?
No, it's my fart. The fuck is that?
Alright.
Banana
Wanna smell it
chips?
again?
Nah, just get it to me.
You know what it is already?
No. It's turning me off. Just get it to me.
Ah.
What the fuck is this?
You like that?
kind of dry there. Tastes like a some diet, low fat, cinnamon toast crunch. Like
Cinnamon toast
wait,
crunch.
no. Like a cinnamon rice cake or something.
Okay. She got that.
Was it?
Okay.
I got with some
I
molasses.
like
to
that.
it.
I like that. She got that one, y'all.
It is?
Yeah, cinnamon rice cake. Man, I don't even know what these.
It does not taste like churro.
You like how they taste?
They're alright. I might eat them eventually.
Yeah, I might trash them motherfuckers. Alright, my turn.
Woo, baby.
Man, you scare me. The deeper I go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We got these. Hope y'all can see those.
What is that, man? What is that?
But we're gonna give her one of these. You ready?
What is it?
Open your mouth, girl. Stop playing with me.
Alright.
Open your mouth. Why would you do that? It's not that fucking serious.
Give me another one.
And what if that was the only one?
My bad.
No spitting it out. Chew it. Chew it. It's clearly edible. Chew it up. What it tastes like? Huh?
What is it?
Is it good? Would you eat it again? What is it?
I don't even know. That's why I'm like spit it out because I don't know.
Alright, spit it out. You ain't gotta eat it.
It tastes like mango.
It is mango. Good enough. It's alright. That's good enough.
A mango goddamn. Yeah, it tastes like a mango. Man, I don't know what is it.
Nasty ass red hot mango lime. You like them?
Alright.
You want them? Woo! You spit the first one out. Alright, I'm
I
ready.
was too scared, that's why.
Y'all,
That shit stuck in my tooth. I don't know.
I'm ready.
You ain't ready. How you ready with your eyes open?
I'm sorry. I had to mentally prepare. Alright, I'm ready. For real.
Alright, this time, go around.
Team bash in the comments. Team bash in the comments.
It's Team Boogie. I already
Team
know that.
bash
You
in the
feel me?
comments. Team bash in the comments. Cause I'm about to get her ass.
What?
Huh?
You about to give me what?
I'm about to win this motherfucking challenge.
Alright, y'all ready?
Come on now. Don't build suspense. What's that? What the fuck is that? It's not you smiling.
Say ah. See ya.
Come on.
Chew it.
What the heck?
What that is?
That's a Vienna sausage.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So what's the score?
I'm not swallowing that. Ugh.
You don't like being the sausage?
They got pork in it.
You like my sausage?
Girl, you ain't from Vienna.
But what's the score?
You got your fruities. I got the rice cakes, and I got the Vienna sausage. So I think it's 2-1 right now.
2-1. Alright.
All right. Blindfold that ass.
I didn't get the last one.
What was the
Mine,
one?
bitch.
Oh yeah, the mango. You did. It's 2 and 2. My bad. I forgot a little mango thing. Okay, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. My bad.
2 and 2, y'all stop playing with me, Team Boogie. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this.
Ooh,
Let's get it.
you ready?
I been ready. I was born ready, baby.
All right.
Hold on, where my bag at, cuz? Get my bag. Yeah, this is alright.
All right. You ready? Huh?
Yeah, don't make me throw up now.
I'm not. I said everything is fucking edible.
Alright.
All right. Let me show them again. Okay. Say, baby. What it tastes like?
That's it.
What it tastes like?
Well, I know you ain't just give me no cat food or nothing like that. Come on, man. Alright. You motherfucker gave me some.
Cat
See, that's what I said. That's what I said. It's alright, look. But look.
Are you about to show me something? Was it good?
I ain't like treating that. All my, everything is edible.
Do you see why Biscuit likes it?
That shit nasty. Ah, it's who that's hot.
Shout out to my cat Biscuit. Hashtag Biscuit in the comment section.
Ooh, ew, ew.
What it tastes like though? It's like fishy or is it like just dry or
Cover your eyes.
what it tastes like?
Cover your eyes.
Alright, she mad, y'all. Why you can't just tell me what it tastes? Do you taste it like turkey and gravy?
Don't worry about that.
She mad. Okay. No, don't do nothing stupid though. Cause the Lord is always watching. The Lord is always watching.
You ready?
Yes.
I told you the truth. This is my third one, y'all.
That shit was. So you didn't get that one? Oh, you did. You said.
Cover them eyes. Now.
They is.
Okay.
You stressing me out, cuz.
Good.
Yes.
Alright.
Please don't do nothing, though.
Hush.
Girl, what you mean? Oh, no. I'm not finna do it.
Say ah.
No, ma'am. If you
Say ah.
No. You talking about what?
Bruh,
I'm
look,
finna
look.
cheat.
Look, y'all.
I'm finna cheat. Man, don't.
Alright.
It better not be like no sardines or nothing like.
Girl, it don't matter. It's what's in your mouth.
Where my fucking bag? Where my cute bag? I'm not finna fuck with you.
Make sure I get a good amount so you taste it real. Taste it real good. You know what I'm saying? Say ah.
What the fuck is you talking about? Oh my god.
Hold on.
Bro, my stomach already
Turn
turning.
my way.
My stomach turning.
Turn my. You. Stop playing. Don't throw up on me now. Eat it, baby. What it tastes like?
Bruh.
Team Boogie, baby. Let's get it.
What the fuck?
Team Boogie.
What the fuck? That gotta be like baby food, peas or something, like the worst.
Peas.
Squash.
Squash. Nope. Name something else.
I can't. That shit.
No point.
I said,
It's baby food, but you don't know what kind. You ain't named nothing in it. You didn't say a pear, you ain't say mango, you ain't say spinach.
spinach. That's what it is. That shit disgusting.
So you're out of here, buddy. I'm up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Where that top go?
Woo. That was nasty.
I bet.
All right. It's okay.
I made sure, y'all. I get her.
Close them eyes, motherfucker. Just close them motherfucking eyes.
Hold on, let me wipe my fingers a little bit.
Nasty ass shit. Girl, get up out of here.
Not winning anyway, you know what I'm saying, Team Boogie.
How? How many points I got? Still 2?
Girl, you got 2 points. I'm up chill. I got 3. Got all 3. You
Girl.
only got 2.
Whatever.
Let's go.
That's alright. Y'all close shot. These are real delicious. Ooh.
Dang.
Alright, y'all. There you go. Y'all see what those is? Okay. Oh, this shit's stronger than me. Yeah, okay.
You always doing the most.
You ready? Open your
Yeah.
mouth. Open your mouth.
Let me
man.
smell it.
No, just open your mouth and come on. Eat it. Eat it and guess what it is first.
Man, this shit tastes like medicine. You got some NyQuil.
It's not NyQuil. Ain't no medicine. How is it medicine? NyQuil that big.
Let this here.
Eat it. Just bite into it so you can at least see what it is. Not medicine.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck is that? I fucking hate that shit.
Hey.
That was a good one.
That shit tastes like cherry, though.
What is it?
It's cherry.
It's cherry?
Cherry.
That's what you think? That's your answer?
Something cherry. I don't know what it's called. I ain't never had that. So it got cherry in it. It tastes like. Hold on. I need something to drink.
Cherry.
Man, I don't know what that is.
Nasty ass
that-
black licorice.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Ew. I can't even stand the
Yeah. Throw that shit away, bruh.
I will. Yo, and it don't have no cherry in it. Ooh, them shits are disgusting. Bruh, if y'all like black licorice, I don't know what the hell wrong with y'all. Them shits taste like fucking tires.
That shit tastes like medicine.
Ugh, and then cherries. I'd rather eat fucking cherries, yeah. Alright, so now we, I'm gonna win this one so we can be tied.
What the fuck? How many you got?
You got that one wrong. You had 3, right? Okay,
So
then.
that was the
And I
fourth
had
one.
2.
This is my fault.
Yes.
Close your eyes.
My goodness. I don't have time. Are you done with the fucking, like, pranks? Like, anything good? Because I haven't had anything good yet.
Man, that shit.
Did I have anything good yet?
You don't know how my taste buds taste.
At least I gave you a
I
piece
can't
of
even
candy.
taste.
That shit, like, minty and disgusting.
Here you go. Something good for you.
Excuse me.
Say ah.
Ah. Mm-hmm.
You don't like it. You don't like it? Oh my gosh.
Bro, I know you
Oh my gosh.
I know you put coffee creamer in my mouth.
What?
Yeah. Babe. That shit is so fucking sick.
You said sick?
Mm.
So fucking sick?
Bruh. The flavor good. But it got sugar in it and it's very chalky, you know?
You not satisfied yet with nothing I gave you?
Nothing.
You mad about that baby food?
No.
She mad about that baby food.
All this
y'all.
shit nasty. I'm about to take a shot.
She mad about that baby food, y'all.
Woo. Biscuit, stop trying to get out the
This
closet.
is the last one. Alright, come on, so you can make this quick.
Alright.
Yeah.
Y'all see that? I don't know what y'all can see over there. But, let's see what's up. You ready?
Lemonade.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yummy. You like those, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So you got 4. I got 2. You got 3.
I got 4 down.
Oh, you did get 4.
4 out of 5, baby.
What I get?
You got 3. This is my last one. You got 1 round.
Okay.
Close my eyes. Let me get another one.
I don't want to. I don't eat lemon head.
Alright, close my eyes now, shot.
Oh. You're stressing me.
Oh, mother.
You ready?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, it's like you gotta prepare it and shit. Like, what the fuck is that?
What is what?
A lemon head. Got me. Come on. What is you doing over there?
Wait, come on, you ready? Open your mouth.
Where my bag? Where my motherfucking bag? This feel like it got my stuff in. Where my other bag? This a trash bag?
Yeah, that's a trash bag right there. You ready?
Yes.
Stop playing.
I'm ready, unfortunately.
Alright.
Can I smell it?
No.
Uh, well, that's my meat. It's my meat.
What meat? I say You don't know what it is. Chew it. Chew it. You ain't chew it. Why you ain't chew it?
Smell animally.
Animally. Bruh. Come on now, you supposed to damn.
Bruh, I got the taste, okay?
What is it?
That shit tastes like cat food.
What kind of cat food?
Why it matter?
You ain't tasted.
I did taste it.
What it tastes like?
Fucking cat food. It ain't gonna have no goddamn human flavor. The hell?
I ain't try. Whatever. It's 4 to 4, I guess. So, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh, what the
Come
fuck?
on. It's alright. Take your blindfold off. You good? Look, get us the biscuit whiskey.
Bro, we about to feed that to Biscuit.
Huh. But look,
Biscuit.
since you trying to think the same thing, we're gonna have to come back at y'all with another
Say hi,
one, you know what I'm
Biscuit.
saying? She trying to get me with the same cat food, and I got her with cat food back. You know what I'm saying? So
You like it?
we gonna see how this video, the next video turn out, y'all, cause she clearly trying to think like me. But stay tuned, y'all. Watch. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe. You got anything to say, baby? Cause it's Team Boogie.
Cat breath.
It's Team Boogie, baby.
Team
My
bag.
cat food was worse than her little snack cat food.
That
you know
shit
what
was
I'm saying?
disgusting, y'all.
Yeah, I had corned beef hash.
That shit smelled like meat.
Yeah.
Oh,
You like
no.
that, don't you?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Team Boogie, y'all. I ain't kissing. Wrap them lips up.
No.